G'day, my name's Paul. I live in the wet tropics of far north Queensland, and I've recently set up an aquaponics system. I'd heard about it like 7 or 8 years ago, but to me then it was just a bit of a bizarre concept. But in recent years I've been looking for different ways to produce real good, clean, healthy food for my family. And I come across Rodney Ingersoll's system at his house, and it was magnificent the way he could produce brilliant, tasty, healthy, clean food in such abundance. And I also realized that it's something that we could do ourselves. So kind of wanting that benefit for my family, and being able to talk to Rod about it and get the understanding, the basics, but then also having the support to be able to work out all those little technical issues as well. We've set up our system probably a bit under 4 months ago, and loving it. It's a great project, it's rewarding, but once again, I don't reckon I would have been able to set it up and have the success that I have now with it without Rod's help. So thanks for your 20 years of experience and your willingness just to share and help people with Rod. So yeah, achieving goals.